Hi there, in this video we're about to build this. The Jiffy box with a fan installed, some of the electronic components, some earth straps internally, all attached to the base of the printer. And in this Jiffy box you'll put the Arduino, the ramps board, the relay for the heated bed, should you have one, fans and grills and so on. There's various earth connections that go inside this thing. On this printer we're installing a LCD display and a card reader, and this little L piece here comes out of the LCD controller box if you buy this option. Now in the documentation they talk about adding a second IEC connector for the heated bed. Well, we don't do that, we dispense with this. We'll give details at the point in time, at the time we do this, but we don't use that. And also we don't use this ATX connector. Again, at the time we do this, we'll give you details on how we attach the Jiffy box to the power supply. So, following our videos, you don't need to use these two. Now the final piece in installing the Jiffy box, or preparing the Jiffy box, is to attach it to the base plate. So this is the base of the printer. The plate itself's got various holes, and like many of the other plates there is a handedness about this plate. The way up it needs to be is that these three large holes here are in this orientation. This is the front of the printer, this is the back. These three holes are can hold a spool for your filament, a spool holder for your filament, and the Jiffy box attaches to those four holes just there. So that's the orientation. And before you do that, before you start, you need to tear off the protective layer, and you're good to go. Now there's another protective layer on the underneath side. Worry about that later. Don't worry about that now. So there we have it. We've installed the Jiffy box onto this base plate and the various electronic components inside, and some earth straps that go between the fan covers and so on, and these will eventually connect to the printer as a whole.